Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ash and welcome to the Missing Teeth Show. A little bit about myself. I've been a qualified dentist for over 20 years, and for almost all of that time I've been very lucky to be placing dental implants. I've done some extensive training here in the UK and abroad for implants and restorative dentistry, which really allows me to handle the simple and more complicated cases. I'm the owner of Westmount Dental, which is a group of practices based in the northeast of England, alongside a referral practice and our very own in-house dental laboratory. With the Missing Teeth Show, we've been dying to get this project started for over 3 to 4 years, but I think now is really the right time that we can start providing you information about what it is like to have your teeth replaced using dental implants. I think this is super important. For one reason or another, things have been put off over the years. You know what happens with life as things take over, but we finally managed to carve some time out, and I'm really happy to be able to provide you with that information. So please subscribe if you want to begin this journey together and start learning about all things missing teeth. Thank you.